Alright guys, so the next site I want to talk to you guys about is Big Ideas Math. So I don't want you to get mistaken. Yes, watching these videos and completing the guided notes will get you credit, and it's kind of like a homework type grade, but you actually have like a textbook type assignment as well. It's not just watching videos, it's a little bit more than that. However, our textbook assignments will be online. So let me show you a little bit about that. Um, One way to get to Big Ideas Math is either to type in bigideasmath.com. You can also search Big Ideas Math and you will also see it as like one of the first links. One of the videos coming up is going to be talking about a little bit about Microsoft Teams. And I'll have some links on there that can help you skip some of these steps. But if you are just searching on a new tab, you can always do it this way too. So something to get used to, and once you log in more than a few times, you'll be comfortable with this. We're going to start, and we're not actually going to use the username here, or the password here. We are going to click this login with Clever. All right, so next we need to start typing in Keith McCarthy Academy. Um, Keep in mind that it's EI in Keith before, it's not IE. After you do that a couple times, it might automatically take you to this page, or it might already ask you if you're a specific student. However, when you get to this part, you're going to click Login with Active Directory. Okay, and then we are going to be entering in our school email. Your school email would be your student ID number, followed by the at LEUSD for Lake Elsinore Unified School District .k12.ca.us. Okay, so and your password, by the way, would be your 8-digit birthday. So your 8-digit birthday comes into play for a lot of your logins. Just to log into the computers, your school email, this, Play-Doh, Canvas. So you'll use that a lot. Anyhow, I don't have a student, my own kind of like test student account, so I'll have to use somebody's. So I'm going to have to try to blur this out in just a moment. Okay, and then the birthday. All right, so let me sign in. All right, now once we get to this point, and then let me shift this up so I don't have to keep blurring that out. You'll get to this page. So there are a few tabs on here: resources, assignments, reports. Okay, so a little bit about resources. One of the main things you might want to use is the ebook, and there are examples and extra exercises you can click on, and they'll show you video of how to solve them. There is a spot where you can download the book, so if you have a tablet or you want to download it to your computer so you don't have to always log on to the internet. There are other resources as well. You're welcome to explore them. If you go to Game Closet, it's not as exciting as it sounds, but I'll let you explore that on your own and see for yourself. The big part for Big Ideas is, as I mentioned, we'll be doing homework assignments on here. So you will click here, and you'll either have upcoming assignments, you may have overdue. Hopefully we don't get into that too often, if ever. But to do the assignments, you would click into here. And I'm actually going to let the next video kind of give the tutorial of how to do the assignment part. But one thing I did want to mention is if you go up here onto reports, once you start submitting your homework assignments, your grades will show up down here. Okay, so you can always go back and check to see what your score is and see if it matches up with your grade on Infinite Campus. One thing I just do mention is that um, sometimes when you submit your assignment, it goes in and it shows up as a 0 for a little bit, and then I've had students in the past um, freak out a little bit, but don't worry, as long as I can see it on my end, we're okay. And if it's something we have to look into further, then we can do that when it comes to it. All right, I'll leave you to the next video.